Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by loading the property immediately. Open Google Earth Pro and import the KML/KMZ of your site, or draw the parcel using the polygon tool. Once done, set elevation to 0 and switch to 2D for a true plan view so measurements aren't skewed. Make sure to enable high-resolution imagery and historical imagery to compare dates. This gives you a consistent base layer to measure orientations and place Vastu zones accurately, which is crucial before you begin any analysis. Next, you orient and quantify. Use the ruler to measure walls, diagonals, and distances in meters or feet because Vastu depends on precise proportions. Once done, align a compass rose by checking the bearing from the ruler or using the built-in compass so north is exact. Then create a 3x3 or 4x4 grid with polygon shapes to divide the plot into Vastu sectors. Label each sector with place marks. This detailed mapping lets you link spatial measurements to Vastu rules confidently. Finally, you annotate and package the results. Add place marks for doors, entrances, and key rooms, and color code polygons for elemental or functional zones to make Vastu recommendations visible. Make sure to include a scale bar and north arrow, then export KML/KMZ or high-res screenshots for reports. If something goes wrong, imagery misaligned, or resolution poor, use historical imagery or validate with a quick site survey. Recalibrate polygons after any adjustments so your Vastu conclusions remain reliable and actionable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.